Yes, so very good morning.
Good morning. Actually, I do conversation lately on afternoon time, so that's why it is in my habit. I usually say good afternoon.
No problem.
Okay,
Yes.
anyway. So,
So
how
first
are
of
you
all,
doing?
I'm very good. And what about you?
Yes, I am doing excellent. Thank you.
So it's our first meeting, so you should give me short introduction.
Yeah, sure. My name is Tanuja, and I hail from Bhopal. And currently, I'm a working professional in one of the software company. And along with that, I'm also a YouTuber for past 2.5 years. And about my hobbies, I love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
That's great. Yes.
And may I know about you as well?
Mm-hmm. Why not? My name is Deepa. I'm from Gwalior, MP. Uh, yes. So if I talk about my education, so I have completed post graduation in science and English as well. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are reading books, dancing, and listening music. That's all about me.
Oh, great to know that you have also the similar interest.
Yeah, actually, when I was child, so before marriage, I was crazy for dancing. I can say, but now I'm not interested so much.
Yeah, likewise. I used to, get more interest when I was a child, and that time I had more time to do all such activities. But now it is like
Mhm.
we have limited time, so we can't able to follow our passion or interest, we can say. So I hardly get time to do this, but whenever I get time, or if I am going to any ceremony or marriage or somewhere, so I try to do it.
Nice. Yes. So if you have any topics, so we can discuss about any topic. Otherwise, we can take general conversation.
Actually, I didn't think any, but you have, so you can suggest. Otherwise, we can do normal conversation.
Yes, so we can talk about what is the happiest moment of your life.
Oh, great topic.
Why not?
Okay, so yeah, I have many, I can say, but yeah, I can share some. The first one I would like to share one that when I was in my 12th standard. So since childhood, I was a very studious girl. So I used to get interest in study a lot, and whenever I used to get time, so I used to do study and study only. So in the 12th class, what happened? I got the first rank in my whole school, and that time I got the prize of 25,000 from the CM, the
Mhm.
Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and also my parents threw a one party for me, and they called everyone, like my relatives and like my friends and everyone. So this is the kind of happiest moment for me that time, and still it is. And I remember this incident whenever I think about my school days. So I remember this incident, like yes, that time, that was the moment of my life, kind of proudest, I can say, because my parents were very happy that I secured a first rank in whole school, and also I got the 25,000 rupees. So that's why.
Yeah, that's great. You are a genius girl. I can say, yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
So
actually, happiest moment is very important thing, important moment of our life in everyone's life because many times we want to do different things. Many times we have many dreams and desires, but when we achieve our goal, our dreams, so that called our happiest moment, right? Everyone nowadays, everyone want to prepare, everyone want to get a good job, like especially government job. If you get government job, so it is definitely it is our happiest moment of life. And if we talk about any students, so in a student's life, like as like you, so as you happiest moment for a student, every student every student gives lot of efforts for good marks, getting good marks. So when a student gets good marks in a academic, like 10th standard, 12th standard, so definitely it is a happiest moment in his life, right? And if we talk about any every girl after completing her education, she want to get married. So when she find a good groom for her marriage, so marriage is a happiest moment of any everyone's life, for a girl or a boy, right? And
Yes.
a second incident for a girl, happiest moment of life, like when she become a mother. Right, so when she become a mother, so if she give a birth, if she give birth to any child, like a beautiful, cute baby, it it's no matter she is a daughter or son. It's no matter if she give a healthy baby. So it is also happiest moment her life. So like this, I have also many happiest moment of my life, like when I selected in Navodaya examination. So that moment, first moment of my life, happiest moment of my life. And after that, uh, 10th standard, when I got good marks. So definitely it was my second happiest moment of my life. And then uh, then 12th standard, when I passed with the biology. And that time I got all subject extension, so that was also happiest moment of my life. And when I got marriage, so my marriage day is also happiest moment of my life. So and the other moment of my life is my son, when I become mother. When I become mother, so that was my, finally it was my happiest moment of my life. Yes, so there are many moments. And yes, that's all about me. Mhm.
Yes, yes, you are right. And you know what happens when we set something for our future or any kind of goal that we have to do something. As you mentioned already, that students think about the good marks and passing their examination with good marks. So when they achieve those things, it was a kind of like happiest moment for them. And for every individual, it depends.
Everyone has many dreams and desire. As I mentioned earlier, like a big house. And girls have, especially girls and women have many dreams, like good jewelry and expensive dresses and right. So second thing, after getting marriage, our second thing is our second dream is there. Everyone want to build a beautiful house for living, right? So
Yes,
when we make a house, our own house,
own
not
house.
in-law house, not our parental house, it is house for only our house. So it is also our happiest moment, everyone's happiest moment. And especially when this house is made by only by yourself, by your earning. So it
Yes.
is a very proud moment, right?
Yes, yes, you are absolutely right.
Yeah.
So I think it's a kind of dream for everyone. As you mentioned that if you are doing something by your own, so that is
Mhm.
the kind of different feeling. You know, it happens with me also. My second moment was like when I placed for good MNC company. So that time, it was my really happiest moment that time because. We always think about something like if I'll get good job, so definitely we can do a lot of things, we can earn money, and we can do a lot of things if you are earning by yourself. So yeah, when I got my first job, so that was the kind of proud moment and also the happiest moment for me. And yeah, we have many more dreams, like you said that every women have their own dream to make a house or something. There are different kind of things. Like in nowadays I'm just helping my parents in all possible ways that I can do. And also I have also a dream that I can make a good house for them. So it is a kind of like goal for me that I have to fulfill now.
Mhm. Right. And you are saying that you are a genius girl. You got scholarship from our CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan. So nowadays board examinations are going on, right? So according to you, what should do, what should they do, like many students, they are not interested for studying nowadays, right? They are engaging on phone calls or screen time. Their screen time is very long time, so they are not focused on their study. So according to you, what should they do for good marks? What should they do for focus on their study according to you? Because you are genius girl or you are sincere girl, and you are also doing a good job in a good company, and all yes, so please give some suggestion for all students through this video. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Because I always give to my this kind of suggestion to my sibling also, because my brothers are younger than me. So first I tell them that set one goal, that why are you studying and what you want to achieve in your life. Like I had the dream that anyhow I have to get a good job so that I can help my family and I can fulfill all of your dreams, like my siblings' dream and my parents' dream also. So when you have a good goal in your life, so definitely you want, inside, from inside you get this kind of feeling that no, I want to do something, and if I'll not study now, so definitely my career will not be so much good. And
Hmm.
also I give one suggestion. What happens, like they usually do, they study at the time of examination also, and that time they take a lot of burden on themselves. Like no, within a 2 days or 3 days, or maybe in a week, I have to do study and study, then only I can clear the exam. So this kind of burden they take that time. So what I usually used to do, I studied like the whole year, I can say, the one topic or
Okay.
one, yeah. So every day I was studying, and the day of examination, or day like 2 days or 3 days before examination, I didn't take any kind of burden on myself. So I
Yes.
used to wake up. I used to wake up little bit late also, and I used to sleep early also. Like now, I have seen that students study like late night, and they wake up very early, like 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. So I never did these things, because I used to study whole years, like
Mhm.
before the examination also. And now you mentioned that the one thing, that now they have the distraction like mobile phones. So
This is a big problem nowadays. This is a huge
biggest
problem, we can.
problem. Yeah. So, if you have particular goal in your life and you know that anyhow you have to achieve that thing, so just keep your phone aside until, and set one thing like, yes, 2 days if you have to study, so just keep away your phone and then do study only. And after that you can use your phone for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. That is sufficient. But at least you are passionate about, and you have to clear that exam, so you will have to sacrifice something, then only you can do. Otherwise we have whole years, whole life to use our mobile phone. Like now I am using my mobile phone because I know that I have good job, and also I am doing YouTube also, so I am earning here also. So now I can use my phone because I have already achieved something, at least one thing. So now I have the time that yes, I can utilize in some other activities also.
Yes. Actually, nowadays, when I talk about myself, so when I was child and I was studying in school, so that time this facility was not available. That time, mobile phone or social media was not available. So this type distraction was not there, and we had only one burden, that was only study, and we had to do all time study, only study. And when we felt bored, and when we felt tired, so we used to spend our time for enjoying in our hobbies, like doing painting, sketching, and dancing, and
Yes.
singing, right? But nowadays, no one is interested in hobbies. They are always watching reels without
Yes.
any use. Without any use, they are always watching reels. And yeah, actually, yesterday before I was watching news on my television. So there was a news. And in that news, anchor was telling in our in our country about 50% above students are spoiling their life because of social media and mobile phone, because they are not interested even they are reading books, even reading books they are not interested. And their age group of about 14 years to 18 years, it means they are studying 8th class and 12th standard, between 12th standard. So but they are not able to read 12th standard book, and they are not able to solve equation like 2 to 2 divided by 2. So their condition is like this. So this is the biggest issue in our country. And they always want to get a good government job. Instead of they want to get a good government job. Their condition is very poor. It means they are studying, they are completed their 12th standard, but they are not able to read 12th standard book. They are completed their 12th standard with math subject, but they are not able to solve equation like 2 to 2 divided by 2. But they want to get a good job in government sector, like they want to become a government teacher, they want to become a patwari, they want to become a bank officer. What is this? Actually this is a big problem in our country. it
Yes,
happens
yes,
it happens in our society, right?
yes,
So that's why I take this topic, because it is very big problem, and in our country. Yeah.
yes, yes. Because we don't have any kind of restriction, because nowadays, especially the children, they are using mobile phones, so they don't know how to use it wisely. Like we are the person, we also have mobile phone, but I know that
Yes.
at what time I have to use my phone, at what time not. So we
Hmm.
are already aware, but we don't have restriction that teenagers are also using the mobile phone. Like we have mobile phone and it is for good purpose, but they
Hmm.
are not using it like in that way. And
Hmm.
also it is a kind of distraction also, and people are not just focusing on reading the books and not working on their hobbies just because of mobile phone, because
Hmm.
scrolling reels are quite easy as compared to other work. So
Yes,
they
yes,
Okay, I think I
yes,
got some
yes. It is a long time.
long
I think
conversation.
1.5 hour we have completed. So it is a very good conversation. And if you have time, so we can join again.
Okay, thank you so much. And yeah, I enjoyed this conversation. And let's see for the next time when we will get time so we can connect.
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
You too.